If you're considering buying Mytransfers, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making a decision. I've used it myself, and today I'm going to break down why it stands out in a crowded market, comparing it to other platforms like TransferWise, Revolut, and PayPal. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea if Mytransfers is really the right fit for you. First thing to know, Mytransfers offers a remarkably competitive pricing structure. Unlike PayPal or other international transfer services that often hide their fees in the exchange rates, Mytransfers keeps everything transparent. You'll always know exactly what you're paying. The exchange rates are also much better compared to traditional banks, and you'll often get a better deal than services like TransferWise. This transparency alone makes it a strong contender if you've been frustrated with hidden fees from other platforms. Next thing, ease of use. Mytransfers has a simple, no-nonsense interface that makes it easy for anyone to send money internationally. It's especially user-friendly for those who aren't so tech-savvy. When compared to other competitors like Revolut, which has more complex features for their users, Mytransfers stays focused on what matters most: sending money quickly and safely without overwhelming you with extra tools. If you're just looking to send money abroad, this app has you covered in the most straightforward way possible. The third thing, speed. When you're sending money, you want it to get there fast. Mytransfers does a great job in this area. Transfers typically take just a few hours or up to 1 business day, depending on the countries involved. This is much faster than some competitors like traditional bank transfers, which can take days to process. While TransferWise also focuses on speed, Mytransfers often has a smoother user experience in terms of transfer speed and convenience. The fourth thing to know is about customer support. Mytransfers provides 24/7 customer service, which is a massive plus. Many other services only offer support during business hours, and when you're sending money internationally, that's a hassle. I've reached out to Mytransfers support a few times, and they've been quick to respond and resolve issues. This level of accessibility can be a game changer if you need help while transferring money across different time zones. Now, the fifth thing, multi-currency support. Mytransfers allows you to send money to more than 30 countries, and they support multiple currencies, which makes it a great option for people with global needs. The ability to send money in different currencies without additional hoops is something that sets Mytransfers apart from other services like PayPal, where you can run into issues with conversion fees and delays. The sixth thing, the ability to send to recipients without them needing an account. This is an often overlooked feature. With Mytransfers, you can send money to people who don't have a Mytransfers account, which is not the case with all competitors. For example, TransferWise requires the recipient to have an account. This is a huge convenience if you're sending money to someone who isn't tech-savvy or doesn't want to create a new account just to receive money. The seventh and final thing, Mytransfers security. Security is a big deal when it comes to sending money, and Mytransfers uses encryption and 2-factor authentication to keep your data safe. With fraud becoming more sophisticated every year, it's reassuring to know that Mytransfers takes security seriously. Competitors like Revolut also have solid security, but Mytransfers offers additional layers of protection, including monitoring for suspicious transactions. So there you have it. Mytransfers stands out for its transparent pricing, ease of use, speed, customer support, multi-currency support, the ability to send to anyone, and its strong security measures. If you're looking for an international money transfer service, it's a solid option. If you want to try out Mytransfers, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Make sure you check it out to see if it's the right fit for your needs.